Have you ever wondered where the socks that mysteriously disappear actually go? Lila, a curious 8-year-old girl, always lost one sock from every pair without any explanation. One day, she saw one of her socks sliding across the floor on its own and decided to silently follow it. The blue sock with stars slipped under the bed and passed through a small glowing door. Intrigued, Lila crawled after it, pushed the door, and fell into a tunnel of lights and whispers. When she opened her eyes, she was in a valley where mountains made of socks of every color floated. Suddenly, a tiny creature appeared wearing round glasses and a cape woven with golden and silver threads. "Welcome to the kingdom of lost socks," he said with a bow and a velvet voice. "Why are they all here?" asked Lila, watching hundreds of socks dancing through the air. "They arrive when they're forgotten or lose their partner. Here, they find a new home," he explained. Lila saw her blue sock laughing while playing with others on a fluffy wool hill. Though she missed it, she understood that her sock was happy, and that gave her peace. The little guide invited her to explore the kingdom and show her how the socks were reborn. Some became puppets, others magical gloves or colorful flying scarves. Lila met a long stocking named Lucko who sang lullabies to baby socks. But the joy was interrupted when she heard a soft sob behind a hanging blanket. There, she found an old gray sock, torn and dusty, trembling silently in a corner. "No one wants broken socks," whispered the sock without lifting its gaze from the floor. Lila approached and hugged it without fear. "Everything has value, even the broken ones," she said kindly. With patches of care and threads of friendship, she began to mend it with the kingdom's magic threads. The gray sock, through tears, smiled for the first time in years and its fabric glowed faintly. That night, the entire kingdom celebrated a party in honor of the mended sock with cotton stars. "You're the first human to heal one of us," said the guide with an emotional voice. "Now you must return, but your adventure will stay with us," he added, pointing to the magic door. Her blue sock ran to her and handed her a small star woven with silver threads. "So you never forget that even the forgotten can shine again," it whispered warmly. Lila crossed the door and appeared in her room, clutching the star in the palm of her hand. From then on, every time she lost a sock, she smiled, imagining its new magical destiny. She grew up to become a designer, creating clothes from forgotten socks, each garment with a story. In every design, she sewed a silver star, a symbol of the kingdom only she truly knew. Moral: even what seems lost or broken can find a new purpose if we look at it with love. Subscribe and hit the bell for more magical stories that will take you to incredible worlds.